Let's talk about one of my favorite things. Science, clinoptilolite, zeolites, patents, and ADD and ADHD. So if you've been told you have attention deficit disorder or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, like me, look at me, who knew? But let's unpack one of my favorite patents that you can find at therootbrands.com on the science page and get into why Root and Dr. Christina Rahm already has a patent filed for, let me make sure I read it properly, the formulation and method for autism. So if you've been told you have ADD or ADHD, you actually don't have a disorder. What is really going on with you is our brains are like an F1 Ferrari, and we're in an environment where the majority of our surrounding environment is being built and designed for old Honda Accords, right? So if you look at an older car that can get around it and maybe it has good gas mileage and allows people to have their commute, it doesn't function with the same level of performance as an F1 Ferrari. And if you're treating an F1 car the same way that you're treating an old commuter car, you're going to have a massive amount of frustration from a driving standpoint because you're not feeding it the way that it needs to be done. Your body and your brain are having this debate. Basically, ADD is not attention deficit disorder. It's actual dopamine deficiency. Our brains need more dopamine and serotonin. And this goes back to when you were conceived, because the amount of mercury and environmental toxins that your mother put in you, and it's not her fault, it's just the environment now, that we're wired differently. So you see this in kids that if your gut, and this is the key part to this, your gut is supposed to be producing these neurotransmitters that your brain needs to function. So the motor that's driving everything and the gas that needs to feed it needs to go into the engine in order to allow the engine to produce the power that your brain needs. So you see this in kids that they're hyperactive because they're searching for dopamine, right? We need stimulus. The level of activity that we have and that kids have and even adults have, and the lack of perceived focus is due to the fact that we need extra stimuli in order to feel the way that we need to perform. So we figured out how to offset that. And the patent for this comes down to two primary things, but it's actually three on the website. So it's Clean Slate, Clean Spirits, and Zero-In. The combination of these two or three products already has the patent filed, and this was done in September of 2024. Not based on theory, but based on already published and proven clinical case studies that showed the outcomes. I'm one of them, but I'm not published. With kids that have had ADD, ADHD, and adults that smooth out and perform at a level that you've never imagined. So the key in this is you need to start grabbing onto, binding, and removing these toxic metals and environmental pollutants and chemicals from the entire system. And simultaneously to that, you need to feed the body the bioavailable silica it needs to start upgrading, especially your pineal gland, because your pineal gland plays a very crucial role in this process. And you hear people talk about subjects that I'll hit on in other videos, but your brain and your sleep actually pertain to your pineal gland and your gut. And this is part of this mechanism that allows this process and this patent for the method and formulation of autism treatment to be effective. So Clean Slate and Clean Spirits are going to support the removal, the detoxification, the zodid process of slowly eliminating all of these environmental toxins that are persisting in the body, from basically head to toes and everything in between. In addition to that, what Zero-In does, Zero-In's like gas, right? Zero-In is feeding your gut what your gut needs, a strategic combination of nature's most powerful adaptogens. Some of them are serotonin-minergic. Some of them are dopaminergic, like dopamine producing, but they're perfectly balanced to allow the gut to produce whatever your pineal gland and your brain need when they need it, because that's the communication process that takes place between your gut, your heart, your pineal gland, and your brain, all communicating through your vagus nerve when this system starts to work properly. So if you're able to put the gas in the gas tank and then allow your gut to produce the dopamine and serotonin that your brain needs, you don't have an attention deficit issue. You don't have a hyperactivity issue. What you have is an F1 Ferrari that's all gassed up, ready to go, tuned up, and the driver already knows how to drive it. That's your soul. You know what you are, right? Because you were created to be you. You just haven't been tuned up properly yet. That's what this is doing. So if you want to find a level of function and performance that you've only been dreaming of, this is it. Trust me. I've done this for 20 years. I've been using these two products, Clean Slate and Zero-In, for the last 6 years, Clean Spirits for the last 2 years. There's nothing like this that you've ever seen or ever heard of. If you're an athlete, they're already banned substance free. They're certified. There's no performance enhancing substances in them. This stuff alone is like a weapon for sports performance. And I used to be able to run 100 meters in 10.5 seconds and ran a 40 in 4.3. I know sports performance. This stuff increases natural dopamine. That's a cheat code in performance, but it is the greatest cheat code when it comes to our brain function with how we're made, right? So here's the back end of this on why your longevity comes into your brain health and why, as high functioning individuals that are diagnosed as ADD or ADHD, is so important. When you do these two things and you use Clean Slate and you're using Zero-In, one of the things that happens is your pineal gland becomes decalcified. You've probably heard that fluoride actually calcifies your pineal gland. Well, that process also causes the shrinking of your pineal gland, so it doesn't work as well. Twofold. One, because it becomes dehydrated and the crystals in it can't grow. So you turn what should have been a grape into a calcified raisin. Now, here's the cool part. If you clean up what caused it to shrink, the metals, fluoride, you can rehydrate it. You can recrystallize it. So not only will it become decalcified, it'll grow. This is where the cool part comes in. So you get Clean Slate and Clean Spirits. You get these amazing little liquid crystalline fragments that are working through your bloodstream, through your system, scavenging stuff, getting into lymph, getting into organs, cleaning up all this stuff, cleaning up your pineal gland, working through your circulatory system and your brain. But when it comes time to sleep, here's the secret to deep REM sleep and the activation of the lymphatic system and why this patent is so special for ADD and ADHD. Your pineal gland actually converts serotonin that's produced in your gut into melatonin. If your gut can produce additional serotonin that your pineal gland needs, it's going to produce DMT. What happens with the combination of the two of those being produced in your pineal gland is you're able to get into deep REM, restful sleep. This process activates a mechanism that's only been identified for about the last 10 years called your glymphatic system. This is the brain's extension of lymph. This is how your brain washes itself at night. It only does this if you're able to get into consistent deep REM sleep. Most of us aren't doing that anymore because biochemically, our gut isn't able to produce enough of the neurotransmitters that our pineal gland needs in order to do this process. And it's likely you're medicating your kids or you're being medicated with amphetamines or other substances that actually don't allow this process to be done. You could be taking different chemicals like SSRIs that are basically shutting off your gut's ability to produce these neurotransmitters and just looping the little bit that's there. So by feeding your gut, allowing your gut to produce the dopamine and serotonin that goes to your pineal gland, that goes to your brain, you're motivated during the day, you're driven, you're focused, you're relaxed, you're calm, you're insanely productive and as cool as the other side of the pillow. But at night, you're going to be in a freaking coma. And out like a light, restful, recovering, detoxifying your brain, and then you get a dopamine kick in the morning because your brain is excited for what's to come tomorrow. This is the process. This is how we're supposed to function. And the most beautiful part, it's already patented.